Alright guys, so on to our next mechanism. Mechanism number 3 is hydration of alkene. Hydration, that means that you're going to add water. Okay, so water ke? So water awak akan ada OH dengan H. Okay, so this is an electrophilic addition since your carbon double bond is very electron rich, so dia adalah awak punya nucleophile. So apa yang masuk is your electrophile. Okay, so kita nak add OH dengan H je, tapi kenapa kita kena guna dua ni? Okay, kita guna dua ni because we are going to synthesize H3O+. Okay, but in your chemical equation, you have to write these two reagents. Okay, so how do we form H3O+ actually? Saya tunjuk je lah macam mana. Okay, so basically your H2SO4 macam ni, it is a strong acid, so dia akan easily ionize H+ dia kan. So awak punya water ni ada lone pair dekat oxygen, so to form H3O+, okay, sebab kita nak guna dia, this lone pair will attack this hydrogen and the bonding pair electrons here will go to the rest of the molecule lah. Okay, so macam tu lah awak form H3O+. Alright, so we're going to use H3O+ in this reaction. Alright, so okay, yang penting is that you need to know, okay, OH will attach to who, which carbon, and H will attach to which carbon. So right here, kita tahu yang awak punya hydrogen, it will attach to the carbon with more hydrogens. Okay, so it will go here. Okay, while OH will go to this, will attach to this carbon lah. Okay, so now we know that this is our product, our alcohol. Okay, when you hydrate alkene, dapat alcohol. Alright, so there are 3 steps, okay, in the formation of alcohol from alkene. Step 1 is to form carbocation. Step 2 is nucleophilic attack. Your nucleophile will attack your electrophile. Step 3 is formation of alcohol. Okay, so let's start with our step 1. Okay, so we have our alkene and we have our H3O+. So what is going to happen is that we want to form our carbocation. Okay, so we are going to have to lose electrons. So we are going to lose electrons from where? From your nucleophilic side, your double bond here. So one of the bond, okay, they contain 2 electrons kan. So this bonding pair electrons, it will attack your hydrogen. Okay, capture this hydrogen, and so this bond has to go somewhere. Go where? Go to this oxygen. Kenapa? Because this oxygen has a plus charge, so it wants electrons. Alright? Okay, so bila dia dapat electron, dia happy lah jadi water balik. So this hydrogen will attach where? Attach to the carbon with more hydrogen, so dia akan attach here. Okay, so kita pun akan form our carbocation. Kat mana? Dekat sini. Okay, so let's see our carbocation. Right, so this is our carbocation here. Okay, so that means like that carbocation is now our electrophilic side. Okay, sebab carbon awak tak cukup elektron, so it wants electrons. Okay, so kita akan bagi dia elektron. Macam mana? Kita akan use our nucleophile, which is water. Okay, water, to attack our carbocation. So awak nak form alcohol kan? So awak ambil benda ni, so kat sini akan ada awak punya OH. Awak akan guna dia untuk attach to this carbon sebab awak nak alcohol. Okay, so let's draw our curly arrow. So the lone pairs on this oxygen will attack this carbon, your electrophile. Ni nucleophile, ni electrophile. Okay. So sekarang kita ada H2O attached to our carbon here. So now the plus charge is on oxygen because this oxygen now has 1, 2, 3 bonds. Okay. Okay. So sub 3 is the formation of alcohol. Okay. Tapi kenapa boleh ada water ni? Bukan tadi kita dah guna ke water ni? Ni adalah water molecule yang lain. Okay. So dalam awak punya sistem tu bukannya ada satu biji water molecule je. Ada banyak lagi. So dia akan sentiasa ada. Okay. So jangan hairan. Okay. Don't worry. Alright. So now we're going to form our alcohol. So since this is not an alcohol, betul tak? Alcohol ada OH je kan. So maksudnya kita akan kena lose one of the hydrogens. So since this oxygen has a plus charge, that means that it wants electrons. And we want to remove one of the hydrogens. So what are we going to do? We are going to puaskan hati semua orang by using the lone pair on oxygen here to capture this hydrogen. Okay. So dia ambil hydrogen tu and this bond has to go somewhere. These electrons has to go somewhere. So these electrons will go to your oxygen. This oxygen will terima electron. So sekarang dia pun happy. Okay. Alright, so now we form our alcohol. Okay, so now we have our alcohol and we have our H3O plus reformed. Alright, boleh? So that is hydration of alkene reaction.